All right, hello again. Today we are starting our last unit on variables with both sides. We're going to talk about some special cases. This should be a fairly short video because most of it's review. So again, problems 1, 2, and 3 are just review. Give them a try. Worked out key is in Schoology. For the new cases, we're just going to start solving like we always do. We see parentheses. We're going to go ahead and do that distribution. 3 times 5x is 15x. 3 times 2 is 6 is equal to 15x. And from here, a lot of times we'd put up that wall, moving variables to one side. So I'm going to go ahead and subtract 15x. And of course, what you do to the right, you do to the left. But what I notice is I have two sets of opposites. And what I wind up with is 6 is equal to 0, which is not true. If you wind up with a statement that's not true, what that means is you have no solution. Okay, let's look at the other special case. Okay, you just start solving like normal. You're not going to know it's a special case until you get into it. We start with the distribution. Minus 2 times 4t is negative 8t. Minus 2 times positive 1 is minus 2. And just rewriting what we see on the right side here. This is known as an identity. It is the exact same equation, which just means same equation on each side of equals. So same equation on each side of the equal sign. If I were to try to solve this, I would say, okay, let me move my variables. And I would say, okay, the opposite of a minus is a plus. You do to the right, you do to the left. And you wind up with minus 2 is equal to minus 2. So even if you don't see the identity here and you get to a true statement like this, your answer is infinite solutions. That means there are just infinite number of solutions available. Because basically you're setting the same equation equal to each other. Normally I don't do the your turn, but this is so short. I'm going to go ahead and do those just so you can get another example. Let's switch over to green. All right, distributing. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times minus p is minus 4p. That equals minus 4p plus 4. This is an identity, but just in case you're unsure and you start to move the variables, adding 4p to both sides, you get two sets of opposites. Wind up with 4 is equal to 4. This is true. So that means infinite number of solutions. All right, let's just try one more. And this last problem here, we start again just like always. And again, you're not going to see it's a special case until you start solving. So just rewriting on the left, 5 times minus 3 is negative 15x. 5 times 2 is a positive 10. Adding 15x to both sides to try to combine them up. We get 2 is equal to 10. That is not true. So our answer is no solution. Okay. The next problems, I just kind of mixed up some of the new stuff with the old stuff. It's about 6 problems there. Go ahead, give them a try. Again, worked out solution is in Schoology. And with that, we're wrapping up our equation solving. We'll move on to a little bit of a new topic. As always, let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.